Who of you is selling Bitcoin right now? Be honest, guys. Tell me who is dumping Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin at 64K the last days, and right now it's 62, retesting the support, right? Now, guys, make sure that you drop a free like, a free subscription to this channel. Maybe we will get 400 subscription until the end of the month. If you wanna get a free content and if you wanna support me, right? This will be great. Now, speaking about Bitcoin, right? I'm currently sitting on the 1 hour chart, and this is not showing strength, right? You will see that these 1 hour candles to the downside are really huge. We saw green huge candles to the upside, but also red to the downside. Now, this is the problem I have here with Bitcoin. I will get to the 4 hour time frame, and we got the big resistance up here at 66K. The next support at 60K. The problem with that is if we are getting back to 60K, breaking this to the downside, then I don't think that that we will get back to 60K. We might retest also the numbers of down below here at 55, somewhere 55, maybe I don't know, 56, somewhere down below here, right? If we're breaking this support. Now, if we are holding this and getting back to our 66K, I think the probability is really high to break the big resistance up here. Now, let me show you this on some bigger time frames on the weekly, then you will see that this is obviously for me, or for me especially, this is for me a huge bull flag. This is for me a huge bull flag. I don't see this as a bearish thing playing out, right? So you will ask yourself why. First of all, we got this low here, then we had a lower low, then we had another lower low which came to 50K, almost to 49K. So it took all the liquidity down here at 49K, and then you will see we made higher lows, right? We made higher lows. Now what could happen is that this might be the start of an uptrend here in this channel, because we saw this lower low, then a higher low, and maybe if we're breaking 60K to the downside, right, if you're breaking this support, maybe this will play out like that, right? Maybe we will get to 55, 56, whatever, to shake out the the late longers. And then if we're finding support at this level here, guys, I think this this is just in theory, right? But this could play out like that. If not, then we have still this trend line here at 50K, right? This trend line here. And I was talking about a bull flag, right? Why a bull flag? Because, guys, now check the last bull market. Then you will see that this happened never. This happened in the past. So this never happened in the past, I would say. We always saw huge dumps of 50 to 40% in the bull market. And then another retest, right? Another retest. And then the end of the bull market, right? And we haven't had that here the couple weeks. We just started here. This was in October last year of 150%, and then we saw the sideways 6 months consolidation to the downside, or maybe sideways, how you want to call it, right? But we never had this huge time. I mean, this time frame here, this was never back then here in the in the bull market, right? So that's why I'm just seeing 50K as the point, as the lower low, and this is possibly a reversal here. This is what I want to say, right? If we get to the monthly, same here for the monthly, right? We don't see huge red dumps, and checking the MACD and the RSI, you will see that this was the time the monthly oversold, right? This was the time when the monthly was oversold. This was back in 73K, right here. Right now we're seeing that, we cooled off here, and another pump, another leg up is definitely possible if we're breaking out of this bull flag to the upside. Also, I want to mention that we are still, above our all-time high back in 21, right? We are still above it right now. Closed monthly candle to the upside, above it, and that's why this is not looking too bad, right? If we are breaking to the downside, as I said, we might retest again 50 to 50K. That's not a problem. But right now, I'm just telling you 60k is the next thing, right? Also, guys, if you want to check out, we have free $500 position for Bybit for my followers for these altcoins here. Check the terms and conditions, right? Also take part of 100k prizes with Bybit, and also a non-QYC exchange, Mexi, also great for altcoins. And the next thing would be, I think, another altcoin I will talk about on my channel. So yeah, this is really interesting here, 66 or 60, and yeah, on some smaller time frames, I just don't see it play it out to the upside right now. We need to grab some liquidity down here to wash out some longers, right? And yeah, to wash out some late longers. So that's why I just think 60k is great for some support here. Let me know what you're thinking, guys. Let me know the next altcoin I should talk about, and make sure that you drop a free like and a free subscription. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.